Welcome to the Transit Centre at Pye Motors here in Morecambe. This is the new Ford Transit Trend for 2019. As you can see, there's been a slight facelift on the front of the vehicle, but the major differences are inside, which we'll show you soon. In the rear of the vehicle, you've got the Ford Easy Clean floor. You've also got the factory protection that's put on the sides. Obviously you can put ply lining in should you wish. This also comes with the LED light option. Inside the cabin, where most of the differences become clear, in comes the Ford Sync 3 8-inch touchscreen you'll be familiar with from the Transit Custom and a lot of the cars in the Ford range. From here you can see the reversing front and rear parking sensors. It's also got Bluetooth connectivity, connections to things like Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as well as having DAB radio in there. So that is the 2019 Ford Transit. If you need any further information on the vehicle, to arrange quotes or to book a test drive, please give us a call on 01524 598 598.